Hello friends, myself Envy Lahamge, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, MVP Samaj, Nasik.
We will see the next type of a linked list, that is doubly linked list. The mechanism behind doubly linked list is that when we have to apply the operations in a reverse direction, then there is a requirement of a doubly linked list. So first of all, we will see the node structure of a doubly linked list. Comparing it with the singly linked list, it is having the three parts. First is the middle section is having the data part. First compartment is the previous pointer and last compartment is the next pointer. So comparing it with the singly linked list, here it is having the one extra section, that is the previous pointer which are attached to the previous node of a linked list. Now we will try to write the node structure of a doubly linked list. So by regular mechanism, we all know that it should be of a type structure. So it is a type def struct and it is a node. To differentiate it from the singly linked list node, we can name it as the D node, means the doubly linked list nodes. Now, as we all know that the node structure having the three parts, that are previous pointer, data, and next pointer, we will write down its element like it having the integer type data, then struct node type star next pointer and star previous pointer, and completing the node structure, and here we can assign the variable of a type struct node. As it is a type of a linked list, but it is a doubly linked list, it is having the same mechanism as that of a singly linked list, but having a slight differences in terms of its structure. So now we will try to write the create function to create a doubly linked list. So first of all, we will create a program to write the create function. So let us see program for creating doubly linked list. Now, as we all know that every program should always start with a hash include statement. So we will write down hash include stdio dot h. Then we will write the node structure of a linked list that we had seen before some time, that is type def struct, we call it as a D node, then integer type data and struct node star next and star previous. Then we will create the variable of it, that is a D node. Up till we had created only the node structure. Now we will try to solve this problem by creating the function for the creating the doubly linked list. So for creating it, we will write down the for creating the function, we will create its prototype as return type is dnode and simply give the name as star create and give the semicolon. Now we can actually here start the program by the void main. So we will write down void main here. And now as we all knows that for any linked list there should be one head node. We have to create the head node and then apply or attach the next subsequent nodes to it. So first of all, we will create the head node. So it should be of a node type. So dnode type star head. We can simply creating it for calling this create function because see here we are creating only the linked list of this type. Okay, and by creating this for further references we have to give the starting point. So we are calling it as a head node and passing this create function to this head node. So we have taken the node star head. Simply we will call the create function, that is head equals to create, as it is does not have any return type. So head equals to create, and now we can here stop the main. Now we will see how to create a doubly linked list. So we simply write down its definition, that is the dnode type star create, and all we knows that for creating any node we have to take one pointer for the start node, then another for the subsequent nodes. So we will take here the dnode type star h star p. Then we have to enter the subsequent nodes by the for loop. So here we will take the I for the for loop, n for the number of elements, and x is for the data elements. This is all the same procedure as that of the singly linked list. Now, first of all, we will write h to the null. Means first node will be a null node for avoiding the garbage collection. Now, we will ask user for enter how many nodes. Means here we are collecting the n. So scanf %d ampersand n. Now for creating the first node with the subsequent nodes, we will create it like we are taking here the for loop, that is for I equals to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. Now as we had created only h2 null, means if there is any previous reference, then we are eliminating it and trying to attach the next subsequent nodes. Now we will give the message like printf enter data, and we will store this data in terms of x, that is printf %ampersand x. Now we had created here the first node, that is taken a simple prototype. Then as we all know that here is a two pointers. So we will take one extra node here for subsequent references. Then scan %ampersand x. Now we will acquire memory for first node, that is q equals to node star malloc and size of node. Now we will place the data in it, means q pointer data equals to x. Now as it is a first node and it does not have any previous reference, so we will next previous and next pointers to null, means q pointer next equals to q pointer previous is equal to null. Okay, now as we had made it a null, we will check here if h equals to null, means now we will write down it in the upper section, that is if h is equal to null, means whether there is any node previously present or not. Means if h equals to null means it is not previously present, then in such case we will make p equals to h equals to q, means new node, first node and the subsequent node are the same nodes. If not, means if it is not like that, we will take a else loop, that is for this if we will take else, like we can make the q pointer next equals p pointer next equals to q, that is the first statement. Then we will attach q to the previous node, means q pointer previous equals to p, and simply placing p equals to q and return h. So this is all about how to create a doubly linked list through a create function. We had first taken the structure node, started with the header file, created the struct node, then created the function prototype, then taken the void main, denote type star head for noting the linked list and call the create function. Then we had here explain the node structure, that is a node star create, and like the singly linked list we had created all the procedure, but only difference is here. Here we are making the next and previous pointers attachment and successfully completing the doubly linked list.